There is no one more classy, timeless, or perfect than Kate Middleton. So today we're gonna be doing a half up, half down hairdo inspired by Princess Kate herself. I brought in Marc Mena.
We're gonna give you the actual royal treatment today. First, we're going to create 1-inch sections, and I'm using a 1 1/4-inch curling iron. What I'm doing is I'm just creating a soft wave. That's why I'm using a larger size curling iron. Wasn't there rumors that she did her own hair for her wedding? If she can do it, you can do it.
Princess Alexa, on duty.
You take this section, right, and then just pin it. I'm just going to spray it. Then I like to use a wide tooth comb. Take that down. You know how to tease?
No.
So then you're gonna do it yourself. Before I start teasing, I'm just using like a light dry shampoo or texture spray, and then you're just gonna go in and just go down. All the way down to the root.
I'm teasing.
You're teasing. One more.
Spray.
So look at you. You don't even need me here.
Beauty school dropout.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna slowly brush that out. Take from ear to ear, this piece right here, and then I'm just gonna twist it back. I don't start the twisting up here, I start it back here. Flip that in. Same thing, starting behind the ear, do not start the twisting in front. Now you're going to take these bobby pins, and right in between the two clips, you're going to create an X with it. Okay. Once you create that X, you can remove these gently, because this is now in place. Just get all these little flyaways. So
Kate never has a flyaway.
Yes, God forbid she has a flyaway. So I'm taking the two strands that we pulled back here, and I'm just going to twist it some more, because she always loves a little detail in the back. Just pin it into place. You are Princess Alexa.
And just like that, I'm ready to be queen. So now that Marc gave me the steps, I think I'm ready to try it on my own.
Yep.
We already curled my hair. Next, teasing. You comb all the way to the root. This is what goes into Kate's hair. A rat tail. Jersey Shore to the castle. You're gonna brush out the teasing.
Lightly.
And you take the twist from behind the ear. Then you're gonna take the bobby pins and go in an X.
In between the hairpins. You're gonna take these pieces that were down from the crisscross you did.
And you're just gonna spin it.
You're gonna spin it. It doesn't need to be like exactly how I did it. It can be whatever you want to make it. This is the first time you've ever done this?
First time.
Great.
Updo queen. Thank you, Marc, for the steps that took me from commoner to queen.
You're welcome. It was such a pleasure.
You think I can marry a prince?
Or I think, why not?
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible.
Especially if you have the half updo.